we're gonna be changing the brake light switch for this. In order to do that, we gotta remove this. In order to remove this, we gotta take these buttons off. These off. We gotta take a clip down here, and then we gotta take this whole thing off. Gotta take this clip off. There's also a nut right here. Another one right here. We gotta disconnect this from back here so that we can pull this whole thing out. So after you disassemble this, it's gonna be over here. That one, I believe it's gonna be that one. So this is the part that we're gonna be changing. Looks a little worn. New part, old part. Now we're gonna put this back in, and then we're just gonna close the whole thing up. Just like that, clips right back into place. Now let's put everything else back together.